In terms of appearance, the dark blue G318 Worry-Free Crossing Edition is based on the square box shape of the current ordinary version and uses a bright yellow paint, officially called Sunshine Gold, which greatly enhances the recognition of the new car. It is worth mentioning that the new car looks more majestic with its wider wheelbase and fenders. An intermittent light strip has been added above the front grille, and the redesigned front frame also features silver and yellow decorative pieces. A black coating has been added to the bonnet, and the roof of the car is also equipped with various roof spotlights. When you look at the side of the car, you can see its square shape, rigid design, sharp side waistline, and smooth body lines running through the rear half of the body. Hidden door handles and large-sized exterior rearview mirrors are used. Officials said that the roof rail can carry up to 80 kg dynamically and 300 kg statically. The body dimensions of the vehicle are 5010/1985/1960 mm in length, width and height, respectively, including spotlights and spare tires, and the wheelbase is 2,880 mm. The vehicle also offers a large number of original expansion parts such as luggage racks, spotlights, electric pedals, spare tires, etc. Equipped with optional 18/20" rims, the vehicle has 3 rim styles and original at tires are optional. The Worry-Free Crossing Edition, which has a square shape at the rear of the car's body, will be equipped with a black outer spare tire cover, a new dark blue brand logo and yellow decorative parts, and there will also be yellow light sources on both sides of the rear window. The interior has not yet been revealed. Automobile experts predict that the color and configuration will be different from the regular models. Looking back, the new car's interior has a stronger urban style. In terms of intelligence, it comes standard with a 14.6-inch embedded central control screen, a 10.25-inch LCD instrument panel, a flat-bottom multifunction steering wheel, a traditional grip-type gear mechanism, a hook that can carry 3 kg in the co-pilot glove box position, and handles on both sides of the center console. In terms of power, it is equipped with an extended-range power system and a 1.5T turbocharged engine with a maximum power of 150 horsepower. The maximum power of the dual-motor vehicle's front engine is 131 kilowatts, and the maximum power of the rear engine is 185 kilowatts. The total power of the system is 316 kilowatts, and the peak torque is 572 Nm. In terms of power battery, it is equipped with a 35.07 kWh lithium iron phosphate battery with a comprehensive range of over 1,000 kilometers, and the pure electric range is 190 kilometers under CLTC conditions. The chassis has a double wishbone front plus 5-link rear independent suspension system. The high-end models are equipped with softness and hardness adjustable Magic Carpet Air Suspension plus CDC, and are equipped with a full-time 4-wheel drive system, central continuously variable differential lock, rear axle magnetic mechanical differential lock, REPS steering system and 6 kilowatts external discharge function.